Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial is on how to overlay video or image with Movavi. In this video, we'll explore the step-by-step process of creating engaging picture-in-picture effects using Movavi Video Editor. Get ready to learn how to effortlessly overlay videos or images onto your main footage for that professional touch. Let's get started. After you open Movavi, this will be your homepage. Over here will be all of the options available for you to edit your videos. From here you can edit your audios. This one is for pictures and the last one is for data. We need to edit our video, so let's go on video. As you can see, most of these are for trying out only, and if you want to use this again and again, you have to buy their plan for that. We don't need it for today's video because we only need the video editor one. So simply click on launch and it will get launched in a little bit. Once it's launched, you'll have this page. This is basically your workspace, and to add files, you have to click here. You can add folders or different projects depending on what you want to edit. Simply click on it and select your files. I want this, both. After you select that, simply click on open and they will get imported here. Now whichever video that you want to edit, you can see how that video is, and then if you want to edit it, drag it down to here. If the aspect ratio of your file doesn't match the project, you'll have this message. It's asking whether you want to change to match the files or if you don't want to change it. I prefer changing because then it goes well with the rest of the videos as well. Now scrolling up, click on your second one and drag it down here. Not here, up here. Yes, and bring it back where it was. And there it is. Click on the second one, and then from here you can select any of these and change how it looks. Here you can select the position of your video. We have right, center, left, top, bottom, depending on what you like. We have logo as well. This one is very cool, so if your logo is not static and if it's moving like a video, this option is best for you. Overlap is this, and picture in picture is like this. Let's go with this one. And here are a bunch of other options that you can choose: pan and zoom, stabilization, animation, highlight and conceal, chroma key, background removal. Basically it has everything. Now from up here we can adjust the colors. Here are presets available. You can choose any of these, or if you want to manually change the adjustments, you can click on this one and change the adjustments as well. Now scrolling down, we have highlights, gamma, shadows, and all of these as well. And if you don't want to make any changes, you can reset it by clicking here and it will go back to how it originally was. Then from here you can change the general properties of your video. So this one is for volume, this one is for the speed, this one is opacity, how clear you want the second one to be. This one is fade in and fade out, so you can select this as well. And as you can see, that curve shows how much time it will take to fully take in effect. I don't need that, and we can reverse it from here as well. The video has been reversed. I don't really need that, so Let's go back up, and here are the applied effects. It will show how many effects you have applied. And here is the motion tracking. We have quick, precise, and artificial intelligence. You can reset that as well after you've made your changes and you didn't like it. You can simply reset it and it will go back to how it originally was. From here you have a bunch of options and editing that you can do. This one is for music. You can add music to your videos. You can search music video, and here are some category available: abstract, cinematic, education, family. All these options are available for you to choose from. Next up is text. We can add text to our video as well. This is transition, effects, filters I mean, and this one is stickers, and this is the effects store. You can add any of these effects to your video as well. And last one is where you edit your video. We can overlay picture as well, so let me show you how that's done. Simply click on this plus sign and then add my files. From here all your files will be here. You can add files from here. I want this one, and click on import from here and it will be imported. It's been imported here, but you need, if you want to overlay, you need to put it in another timeline like this. Now all those options that you had for video, those all are available for the pictures as well. So these are all the positions that you can choose, and for example I'll go with this one again, bring it up here to the corner like a logo. And all those options are available. As you can see, the color adjustment, crop and rotate, pan and zoom, stabilization, all those are available. One more benefit with picture is that you can increase how many seconds you want your picture to be. We can't do that with a video because it has specific seconds or minutes. So basically it has a specific length, but we can increase the length of the video, of the image I mean. Now let's adjust it a little bit, decrease the opacity. For example, I don't want to use the fade in and fade out option. Here's the applied effects. As you can see, it has motion tracking as well, like the video, and let's see how it looks. And you might not like how my results came out, but keep in mind that I was just trying to teach and this was not how I would do it like professionally. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you overlay videos or images with Movavi. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.